U.S. stocks ended little changed on Wednesday, with investors digesting conflicting sets of jobs data and a report that President-elect Donald Trump was mulling an economic emergency declaration on inflation. The Dow gained 0.25%, the S&P 500 added more than 0.1%, and the Nasdaq dipped marginally. Minutes of the Federal Reserve's December policy meeting reflected concerns that price pressures would remain, due in part to the proposed policies of Donald Trump. Market sentiment was fragile after a CNN report said Trump was mulling building his new tariff program by using the International Economic Emergency Powers Act, which authorizes a president to manage imports during a national emergency. Benchmark 10-year Treasury yields peaked at more than 4.7%, the highest since April 25th, before retreating. Rising yields have pressured stocks for weeks, notes Brad Bernstein, managing director of UBS Private Wealth Management.
Treasury yields have been moving the stock market since third week of December, kind of spoiling the Santa Claus rally that we were hoping for from Christmas into the new year. And today, as goes the 10-year, goes the stock market, which is what we've seen today. And there's been a bunch of events during the day today that have moved the bond market around, which are impacting stocks.
An ADP report showed private payrolls growth slowed sharply in December, although a separate Labor Department report said jobless claims for the previous week fell. All eyes are now on Friday's non-farm payrolls report for December. Among Wednesday's stock moves, megacaps were mixed, with Microsoft edging up while Alphabet and Meta platforms fell. eBay rose nearly 10% after Meta said it will launch a test showing the e-commerce firm's listings on Facebook Marketplace. And Edison International dropped more than 10%. Its Californian subsidiary cut power to customers to prevent damage to distribution lines from a wildfire. Markets will be closed Thursday for a national day of mourning for former President Jimmy Carter.